Inovatif, adaptif, global.
Sobat kawan, kali ini ketemu lagi bareng saya, bareng Mas Bahtiar. Kali ini masih di acaranya UPS Tegal dalam podcast. Dan kali ini saya kedatangan tamu spesial banget. Jauh, pakai telur, telurnya 4. Ada dari benua Afrika sana. Kita sambut Mr. Eric. Yeay! Kali ini Mr. Eric saya panggil spesial buat banyak tanya-tanya.
Sure.
Nah, sebelumnya saya ingin tanya dulu, let you introduce yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, please.
In bahasa Indonesia
Yeah.
or English?
Up to you.
Up to me.
Yeah.
Halo semua, nama saya Eric Nketia JB. You can call me Eric. I am a student of the University Pancasakti Tegal.
Oh,
I am a postgraduate student studying Master of Management. Mr. Bhatia.
oke. Baik kawan-kawan, sebelum kita lanjut acara tanya jawab kita bareng Mas Eric, kita saksikan dulu yang ini. Yang ini ya.
Yang
Oke, UPS.
Jaya, Jaya, Jaya.
That's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. We search for love and it's love we found. We live our life now, we come this far. We won't stop now, this is all we are.
Oke, baik. Di segmen yang pertama ini saya mau wawancara Mas Eric ini. Saya pengen tahu kenapa dia ada di sini. Kemudian saya juga pengen tahu alasan dia kenapa dia kuliah di UPS Tegal, kampus kebanggaan kita nih. Orang Afrika saja kuliah di sini. Kamu yang orang sini nggak mau kuliah di sini, wah payah ya.
Yeah.
Baik, kita langsung saja, kita tanya-tanya banyak nih dengan Mas Eric. Halo Mas Eric.
Hi, Mr. Bhatia.
Can you introduce yourself, full name and first name you? Who's your full name?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Bhatia, for this opportunity. My name is Eric.
Eric.
The full name is Eric Nketia JB.
Hah?
Eric Nketia JB.
Eric and Ketia JB.
Yeah.
Oke. Itulah namanya. Susah sekali saya. Eric Ketia JB.
I'm from Ghana.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana,
And then?
West Africa.
Okay. Thank you for your coming in Pancasakti podcast.
Thank you
Okay?
for having me.
Okay, can you tell me why you study in UPS Tegal? And maybe you can talk about first story when you up to coming in here.
Okay. So you see, back in Ghana, we see countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore as a fast emerging economies in the world. We gained independence around the same era. You know, Ghana gained its independence in 1957. In around the 1950s were the time that Indonesia, Singapore, and Malaysia also gained their independence. And, you know, for some time, we have seen a paradigm shift in Indonesia and Singapore and all these Malaysian countries. So it is always a competition in Ghana when there is a discussion, there's this comparison between these three countries. So I sat down and I said, okay, I'm done with my first degree in Ghana. If I have the opportunity, I don't want to go to Europe. I don't want to go to America. I don't want to go to Canada.
Why?
I want to come to Southeast Asia to see what is happening what they did special to develop their countries. And so that was the main idea. But coming here in Indonesia was as a result of my uncle. He is an education consultant. So he told me, Eric, do you want to study in Southeast Asia? I said, yes, I want to pursue my master degree in Southeast Asia. Then he said, okay, he has some offers from Southeast Asia. He will send me the schools. So he sent me Pendidikan, OPI in Bandung. And then he sent me Pancasakti, I think 2 weeks after. So we applied, and God being so good, Pendidikan came, the offer letter came. But then he said, Eric, can you wait? Because Pancasakti will also bring their offer letter. Then we can compare. So when it came, Pancasakti was a very juicy offer. Pendidikan was offering free education, free tuition, but I was supposed to pay for accommodation. Now when Pancasakti came, it was free tuition, free accommodation, free food, and a lot more.
And you're happy there?
Yes, so I said, hey, I like Pancasakti. Let's go.
Because full accommodation.
Yes, it is free, gratis.
Free gratis.
For me.
For you.
Yes.
Nah, kawan-kawan nih ya. Ini menurut ceritanya Mas Eric ini, dia milih UPS Tegal ini karena banyak sekali fasilitas-fasilitas yang tersedia di UPS Tegal. Termasuk untuk mahasiswa-mahasiswa asing yang mau kuliah di UPS Tegal, kita tunggu ya. We wait for
Pancasakti.
For Pancasakti,
yeah.
And join with us in here. Okay?
Yes, exactly.
Nah, what do you think about Pancasakti when you are coming in here first?
Okay.
Maybe the situation, condition, and the environment in here. What do you think?
Okay, my first reception was a very welcoming one. Immediately, I entered the institution, I realized calmness. I realized everybody treated everybody with respect, and you have to be very careful with your words. You have to be very disciplined. People here are very cultured. They see me and they greet and bow. I'm like, wow.
Wow.
This is
something different in your country. Yeah?
So I was like, wow.
Wow.
Then I have to also emulate what these people are doing. And I must say, I'm very happy here. I'm very happy because of the people. Because the people treat me with respect and they like to see me around. So I'm very happy.
Okay. So now you have many family in here.
I'm telling you, I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of family in my course. I have people cook and bring to me.
Oh.
All these women, they cook and they go, during the festival, the Idul Adha.
Idul Adha.
Come and see, Eric, come and eat. Eric,
join.
makan.
Makan.
Sudah, makan dulu.
Oke, baik kawan-kawan. Sebelum kita lanjut lagi mengenai tentang Mas Eric ini, kenapa dia pilih kuliah di UPS Tegal? Ya tentunya kan tadi sudah mendengarkan bahwa banyak sekali hal-hal yang luar biasa yang ada di UPS Tegal ini. Nanti kita akan tanya-tanya nih sebagian atau beberapa hal yang menurut Eric ini pendapatnya seperti apa, kayak makanan, ya, food, culture, budaya atau yang lainnya. Baik, kita tunggu yang mau lewat ini. UPS
Jaya.
Jaya Jaya.
I only pray you never leave me behind. Never leave me. Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find. I'll take your hand and hold it closer to mine. Yeah. That love was there, but now you're changing my mind. My heart's a stereo. The beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, oh, oh. Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
Oke, baik lagi bersama saya Bahtiar. Kerja, kerja, kerja. Baik nih, Mr. Eric, can you tell me
Yeah,
about your experience?
yeah,
Most experience that it is very, very excited for you
yeah,
when you stay in Tegal, maybe,
Yeah.
and then maybe when you stay in where you study in UPS Tegal,
yeah.
and maybe when you stay in Indonesia,
Okay.
yeah, as generally, okay?
General.
Can you?
Well, there are a lot of experience. I think when I arrived, there was a student mobility campaign where students came from India, Pakistan, and all these world. We came together, and it was fun. That was a very joyous experience in Panchasakti. Apart from that, there was a graduation for the postgraduate department, and it was fun also. The organization was something that was new to me. I met a lot of people, and the experience was very interesting. Apart from that, I have made some personal travels. I've been to Bandung. I went myself. I went to Semarang myself. And the traveling experience was, very nice.
It's very nice for you. Yeah.
Because you see, in Ghana, the train is not popular. We hardly use the train. So it was my first time using a train.
First time.
First time using a train.
Wow. In Ghana, there is no train.
The trains are only transporting goods. They don't transport human beings. And where it transports human beings, I don't live there. So it was my first experience. Even though in Ghana I see the trains moving, I had never sat in the train.
Okay. And then how about your favorite food in Indonesia?
My favorite food,
Yeah.
Ponggol.
Ponggol.
Oh yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Buat kamu nih, buat temen-temennya Eric, for Eric friends in Ghana. When you come in here, join with Eric and study in Pancasila University, you can try Ponggol. It's very
Yeah.
delicious. Okay,
It's
that's
so,
right.
it's so good.
So
Because
good.
it is a mixture of everything.
Every day.
Rice, vegetable, eggs, everything combined.
Tempe,
Tempe,
mendoan,
mendoan,
orek,
oreg,
bek-bek.
bakbak.
You know, bek-bek is Harry's favorite food. Yeah.
Mr. Harry, our boss,
Yeah,
Mr. Harry.
Mr. Harry. Okay, thank you, Mr. Eric. Kita akan kembali.
Yeah,
We will come back.
alright.
Kita lihat dulu yang mau lewat berikut ini.
Bahtiar,
Kerja, kerja, kerja.
Jika kau masih
Mari ku beritahu lembaga pendidikan yang unggul dan berwawasan global, alma mater kebanggaan, lahirkan generasi hebat. Belajar dan berkarya mengamalkan ilmu, menggapai cita-cita untuk masa depanmu. Akademisi yang unggul juga bermutu di Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Na 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 na. Lembaga pendidikan yang unggul dan berwawasan global, alma mater kebanggaan, lahirkan generasi hebat. Belajar dan berkarya mengamalkan ilmu, menggapai cita-cita untuk masa depanmu. Akademisi yang unggul juga bermutu di Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Belajar dan berkarya mengamalkan ilmu, menggapai cita-cita untuk masa depanmu. Akademisi yang unggul juga bermutu di Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Na 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 na.
Oke, baik kawan-kawan. Di segmen yang ketiga ini, saya kepengen tanya nanti kepada Mr. Eric Ketiak. Apa tadi saya
JB.
lupa? Ketiak JB ya.
Iya.
Mr. Eric juga nanti mau cerita banyak nih tentang keunggulan-keunggulan yang dimiliki oleh UPS Tegal, sehingga menjadi alasan rugi buat kalian yang tidak mau kuliah di UPS Tegal. Oke, baik, Eric. After you study in Pancasatu University,
Yeah.
can you tell me
Yeah.
about everything in Pancasatu University that it's very good for all in all the world?
Okay, so hello Samoa, hello everybody listening and watching from the world. I am a great testament to this university. I am urging all of you, whether you are an undergrad or a graduate student, to go to the website of Pancasakti University Tegal and fill out the form to be part of this great institution. Because after my experience in this university, I have realized that it is truly a good university that is aspiring to be innovative and global. The academic work here is very exceptional. The lecturers are awesome. The facilities here are incredible. You don't have to worry about the internet. Everywhere you go, there is internet to do your research, to do all your academic work. And the lecturers are willing and available all the time to assist you in your academic work.
Oke.
I feel proud to be part of this wonderful institution, and I'm inviting you to join with me in OPS. OPS!
Caya. Nah,
Cheer!
kawan-kawan semuanya nih ya. Tadi Mas Erik sudah memberikan statement bahwasanya beliau ini sangat bangga kuliah di UPS Tegal karena banyak keunggulan-keunggulan yang dimiliki. Kita memiliki banyak fasilitas-fasilitas yang sangat luar biasa, dari mulai fasilitas fisik maupun fasilitas yang lainnya. Gedungnya kita mempunyai 2 kampus, kemudian laboratoriumnya juga sangat luar biasa. Jurusan yang tersedia di UPS Tegal juga sangat banyak. Semua kebutuhan masyarakat, semua yang diinginkan oleh dunia pekerjaan, UPS siap membantu Anda. Maka Ayo gabung bersama kami di UPS Tegal. Let's join with us to all body. Thank you for your attention. And thank you Mr. Eric.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you
Bakhtiar.
for your coming. Nah, sekali lagi terima kasih banyak sudah bergabung bersama kami di podcastnya Pancasakti University. Sampai ketemu lagi di episode selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. UPS
Jaya, Jaya, Jaya.
UPS
Innovative, adaptive, global.
Global.